Hi, and welcome back to the channel. It's Sam, and if you're new here, you can expect to see all things mindset, embodiment, and energetics so that you can live your life full out and feel fucking good while doing it. I am Sam. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more at Samantha Harvey. Today, we have a sensual movement activation. Now, most of us have a preconceived notion around what sensual movement is. Our Western society tends to demonize it, tends to put a lot of negativity and shadow on our sensuality and our sensual power. But the truth is, sensuality simply means of the senses. So we are going to experience ourselves through our senses and also tap into that energy that is responsible for your life force, for your magnetism, your ability to call in money, your sexual energy. And it's going to be really fun and simple, I promise. I invite you to have an open mind and to really be curious about what comes up for you. So we will start in a seated position, and you're going to put one hand on your heart and one hand on your pelvic bowl. You can close your eyes during this process and just listen to my voice, or you can keep your eyes open. Do whatever feels good for you. So we'll begin with some slow, easy breaths in through the nose and easy, gentle exhales through the mouth. Good. Continue taking slow, deep breaths in and easy exhale out. You're going to continue the breath the entire practice. While you are breathing, I invite you to visualize a white golden circle circling your body, your mat, and the energy around you so that we are creating a safe and sacred protected space. Now we'll start really gently moving the hands along the body. Sensuality is really being of the senses. It's an invitation into deeper intimacy with self. And one of the best ways to create more intimacy with self is simply with self-touch. So you'll go gently, lightly, and very slowly with your hands on your arms, your center, your chest, maybe even up into your neck and your face, down through the body, through the legs, creating a new relationship with your human vessel. Noticing what thoughts come up, noticing any resistance, discomfort, or maybe ease and excitement. All are welcome. You might decide that you're going to stay with this for the rest of our time together, or you might decide that it's time to focus on your pelvis. And if you're going to join me in the pelvis, we will start to circle the hips around, feeling an inner fire start to wake up in the pelvic bowl. Some of us might feel like we have cobwebs down there. You might feel like it's been really dry and dusty or ignored. You might notice emotions come up. Just simply sit with it, be curious, and continue to breathe. We'll take these circles now and turn to an arch through the back and the pelvis, and then a rounding of the spine. So it's like a snake moving through your spine, building that energy, building that fire all the way from the base of your spine. And then we'll reverse, send the chest forward, open the chest, tuck the pelvis under, and curve. Nice work. Beautiful. So now we'll start to feel the chest circle. So we started in our sacral chakra, responsible for your sensuality, your money making, your abundance, your magnetism, your creativity. And now we're in that chest portal where we store emotions, our big, beautiful hearts. Most of us close off our heart as a protection. And so this is coaxing our heart out of her protection. You can add the arms if it feels good, arching and rounding, breathing, Noticing, what am I feeling? What am I sensing? And allowing the movement to get bigger through the spine. Feeling what it feels like to have your hair touch your skin. Feeling what your spine feels like. Noticing all of the senses that arise. Now we'll take those spirals and circles out through the shoulders, through the elbows, and through the wrists. Moving all the way up and playing wherever your hands want to go, playing with that spiral. Now, many of us feel disconnected from our bodies. We feel that it's unsafe to be in our bodies because we don't know where our bodies are in space. And so by being able to articulate each finger, feeling the finger in space, feeling your elbows in space, your shoulders in space, your chest and rib cage, hips and legs in space, it actually creates more safety in the body. Nice, my friends. Now we're going to take a deep breath in, ground it in, and we're going to get a little spicier. Are you ready? We're going to come onto all fours. Your knees will be under your hips, hands under your shoulders, and we'll start with some tucking of the back and pelvis, and then arch, look up to the ceiling. Tuck and round the spine, arch and look up. Now you can stay here, or we turn it into a barrel roll. So we bend the elbows, send the chest down, butt up, and circle. You can let your knees and ankles move however they want. We'll do one more, and then we'll go the other way. Feeling like you're scooping out a jar of honey, making this feel luxurious, gooey. Good. Last one. And now we're just going to take some hip circles in this position. Again, noticing what comes up for you. Inviting any uncomfortable feelings to soften, to dissipate. Knowing that your powerful, gorgeous, feminine body is yours to liberate, yours to claim, yours to own, and to be proud of. Beautiful, my friends. Finishing any full body movement, maybe getting your head involved, moving through that body, releasing anything you no longer need. And then we'll make our way back to a seated position. And we'll place one hand on the heart, one hand on the pelvic bowl, and take a deep breath in. Exhaling it out, calming the energy, bringing it back down. Visualizing that fire, that small flame at the base of your pelvic bowl. Visualizing your life force energy. It is a part of you. It is meant to rage like a roaring fire. If it is not raging, if it is not turned on, I want you to know that you have the full power to turn that flame on, to turn that fire on. And that fire is going to burn away anything that is not yours, any old thought patterns, beliefs, social and societal programming, ancestral patterning. We burn that all away. And what rises from the ashes is your truth, your authentic expression, your sensual power, and your magnetism. Welcome home to you. My loves, if you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, let me know what questions you have or what you enjoyed, and make sure you follow me over on Instagram at Samantha Jo Harvey, where we have tons of free content, downloadables, and all that good stuff. Thanks for being here.